Worried that your bathroom renovation quote might change halfway through the project? With Bytown Bath, don't be. Before we even talk numbers, there's a process we follow to make sure that the quote is accurate, realistic, and free of surprises. Hi, I'm Curtis from Bytown Better Baths and Showers, and today I'll walk you through what we actually look for before we even give you a bathroom renovation quote and how these steps can avoid surprise costs later on. Before numbers ever enter our conversation, the goal is to understand what's really happening behind your walls and under your fixtures, because even without clarity, pricing is just a guess. But when we come in for our in-home consultation, we're looking for a few critical things all at once. We start by checking the hidden damages, especially around the tub, showers, and wet zones. These are the areas that are most likely to hide water damage, rot, or wear that isn't visible on the surface. Catching those issues early helps prevent mid-project delays and unexpected add-ons. Next, we review what's already been updated and what hasn't. Some bathrooms have newer fixtures paired with older tubs, walls, or plumbing. By understanding that mix, it allows us to avoid replacing things that are still in good shape while making sure nothing outdated gets overlooked. Then, we assess the plumbing behind the walls. We're looking at materials, layouts, and signs of past leaks or repairs. This matters because outdated or compromised plumbing can directly affect both cost and long-term performance. That's why addressing these up front is far better than discovering it halfway through the installation. Lastly, we confirm layout and feasibility, because we believe not every bathroom layout supports every design idea. Spacing, clearances, and code requirements all play a role in what's realistic. And this step ensures the renovation we're quoting is actually achievable without any last-minute changes. Once we've gathered all this information, that's when pricing begins. Instead of handing you a single mystery number, we build you a quote based on what the actual scope of work is. This means factoring in your bathroom size, plumbing condition, structural needs, layout complexity, and material choices. We itemize the work so that you can understand what's included and why the quote is structured in the way it is. And through that transparency is what gives you the confidence in keeping your project running smoothly. A bathroom renovation quote should give you clarity, not questions and assumptions. So if you want a realistic starting point, try our online pricing estimator. And if you're ready for a proper in-home assessment, our team at Bytown Better Baths and Showers is always happy to help. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.